Today we'll be making mango mousse, which uses just 3 ingredients and no time to prepare. So let's get on with it.
We'll start off by beating some whipping cream till it reaches the stiff peak stage. As you can see, the cream has started to froth up, but we're not there yet. Now this is the consistency we're looking for. Next, we'll be adding in our condensed milk and we'll beat it again for a while. Can you see how smooth and creamy this looks? This is what we want. Now we'll be adding the most important ingredient of this recipe, that is mango puree. And I'll be adding it in 2 parts. Please make sure that the mangoes are fully ripe and very flavorful. And look at this is how smooth it will become at the end. Now I'm transferring this mixture into a piping bag, but you can use a spoon to transfer this into the dessert glasses. I'm topping this up with some mango puree, but you can totally avoid this step. And our beautiful mango mousse is ready to have.
As mentioned in my previous video, please make sure that the quality of mangoes is really good. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you try this recipe out, do let me know in the comment section how you like it. Until next time.